Excuse me, I need to talk to someone about a problem with a phone I bought here.
Of course, sir. I'm Rachel. What seems to be the problem?
I bought a new phone here 3 days ago, and it's already not working right. I'm very disappointed.
I'm sorry to hear that. What exactly is wrong with the phone?
First, when I make phone calls, I can't hear the other person clearly. The sound is very low and distorted.
That's not good. Anything else?
Yes, my WhatsApp messages don't come in on time. They arrive late, and sometimes I don't get notifications at all.
That sounds like a connectivity issue.
Also, I can't make video calls. The screen freezes and the call doesn't go through. And the worst part? The battery drains so fast. It only lasts a few hours.
I understand your frustration. Do you have your receipt with you?
Yes, here it is. I bought it on Saturday.
Thank you. I'll need to check the phone and see what the issue is. If it's a manufacturing defect, we can replace it or issue a refund.
I don't want repairs. I want either a new phone or my money back.
I understand, but first we need to verify the issue. Can I take a look at the phone?
Yes, here it is. I've hardly used it.
Rachel checks the phone for a few minutes.
I can see the sound problem during calls, and the battery is draining quickly. I'll have to run a full diagnostic test to confirm everything.
How long will that take?
About 30 minutes. If the test shows the phone is faulty, we'll replace it with a new one today, or if you prefer, we can refund your money.
Good. I really need a phone that works. I use it for work and family.
I understand. We'll try to solve this as fast as possible. By the way, did you use the original charger that came with the phone?
Yes, I only used the charger that came in the box.
Perfect. That helps us confirm it's not a charging issue.
So, if it can't be fixed, I get a new one today, right?
Of course, sir. Please have a seat, and I'll let you know when the test is done.
All right. Please let me know as soon as possible. I don't want to waste more time.
Yes, if the test shows it's defective. If you prefer a refund, we can also do that.
Thank you. I appreciate your help.